Alright guys, today what we're going to be doing is dispelling a bee club myth. Something that you never actually hear taught in a bee club. This is a 2-frame double deep mating nuke. Queen's back. I've got a colony over here that I sold a nuke out of. Still has good amount of brood. This queen has just been back maybe 5 days. What I'm going to do is, I sold that nuke yesterday afternoon. They've been queenless less than 24 hours, so they have not started the queen cell process of making a new queen. I will take this mated queen, mark her, drop her off in a hive over there. I'll show you another little myth that the bee clubs keep teaching that is untrue when we get over there. I'm wearing a veil, not because I'm scared of this hive, but a queenless hive, you never know their reaction. It was a double deep 5-frame with a 5-frame honey super on top of it, full of bees. Like I said, you never know what you're going to get into with a queenless colony. Alright, there's eggs, so she's definitely laid this frame up. And then after that, which I probably will not show on video, I'll let these stay queenless for 5-6 hours a day, and then I will drop a virgin queen in. I've already marked her, just did not mark it on the lid. So you don't get to see how to mark a queen. We're gonna introduce her by herself. She is a laying queen. Close up my marking. If anybody wonders, I used the 50-cent paint from Walmart. Alright. So, let's take queen in hand. Go see what we got over here, see how ill-tempered they might be. Let's see, what are you looking at? Hopefully you will catch this. Like I said, I'm having a hard problem with the glare, seeing what you're actually looking at. Okay, so you should be able to see it. Like I said, I'm wearing my veil because colony was made queenless last night. Now, okay, you can see it. The other thing I was talking about a while ago, what they tell you in bee clubs is the queen's pheromones are passed from one bee tapping the queen with her antenna and passing it to another bee, or them cleaning her and passing it on, and that's how that pheromone runs through the whole hive. Watch what happens when I set this laying queen down on the frame. Watch how quickly the bees know she's there and run to her. I'm going to set her back here. Look at them. They already know she's in the hive. Look at them coming to her. They know she's in the hive that quick. They haven't had that time. They haven't even touched her yet to pass that pheromone around, but they know she's here. That's a tip that you need to learn, that bee clubs do not teach. Your PhDs do not teach this. It is an airborne pheromone also. You just saw the evidence. You just saw me pull her from one colony, bring her straight over here. I'm getting ready to directly release this queen. See, they are not trying to be aggressive toward her at all. If they were, you could not move your fingers through them. Notice these ladies right here with their nasing off. If you could see them, they've got their butts up fanning, nasing off. Come here, mama's here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this frame out, because even though they're not trying to be aggressive toward her in the cage, I want to see how they react to her with her walking on a frame. Like I said, this is honey super that they've got a little bit of stores in, not a lot. The bottom chamber is full of brood. Alright, we're going to do the middle frame. The further we go this way, the more populated the hive is up here in the honey super. So I'll turn the frame up. Alright, she went straight down in the hive. See, they are not trying to kill her. They are loving on her. They are not balling her, because she is a laying queen. Hope I've got her in view. She is a laying queen straight from one colony to the next. These girls, like I said, have been queenless for, I don't know, 16, 18 hours. It all depends on how the queen reacts to the new hive too. She's being submissive. She's sitting there, letting them crawl all over her, letting them get her pheromones to pass out. That, my friends, is how you introduce a queen. Thanks for watching.